How to enable or remove the end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, let's get started. While enabling end-to-end encryption is quite easy by clicking on the secure conversation, but in order to remove it, there are two ways. The very first one is you can just delete the secret conversation and then start the conversation in the normal Messenger application. Or what you can do is restrict the encrypted chat. Likewise, another way is to turn off. Go on the hamburger icon and on settings. Scroll down until you find privacy and security. Under security, click on end to end encrypted chats. Go to security logins and alerts. Turn off both of this option. Once you toggle it off, go back to the previous page and click on message storage. Hereby, you have to click on turn off secure storage. Click on continue and then it'll load the page. This way, you have now successfully turned off or removed the end-to-end encryption. So this is all for today's video. For any such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.